Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification of my latest video.
In today's HTML tutorial, we'll know about paragraph, horizontal rules, single break, and pre-formatted text. First, knowing about HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you would like to display on web page as per requirement or importance. And you can see in this example, it is defined from H1 to H6, where H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines as the least important heading. And also you can observe a white space, a margin before and after the heading in the browser. Significance. Knowing why headings are important. It's important because the search engines use these headings to index the structure and content of your web pages, which are important to show the document structure. Starting by H1 headings as main headings and followed by H2 headings and H3 headings and so on. Here you can see different headings from H1 to H6 with different font size and gap in between them. HTML paragraph. HTML paragraph is represented by p element tag, which always starts with new line and a margin white space before and after a paragraph. As you can see, is represented by p element. Here in this example you can see inserting a p element, then content. After saving, now you can see in the browser. Similarly, adding more paragraphs. HR tag. It can be used as a thematic break, representing a separate content and displayed as a horizontal line. Here you can see in this example. Paragraph and heading is now separated by a horizontal line. HTML line break represented by BR tag. It's useful when you want a line break, that means you want to create a new line without starting a new paragraph, shown as BR tag. You can see here in this example. HTML PRE element. We also use PRE element while writing a content. PRE element displays content as fixed width font, usually Courier, and it also preserves the spaces and line breaks. That means it will display as written, unlike paragraph. You can see here in this example, replacing P with PRE. You can see that font has changed to Courier, which is smaller. You can also observe that texts are not properly aligned in heading 2 comparing to heading 1 and displays as pre-formatted. Here there is another example when comparing it with paragraph. Here you can clearly see in paragraph that extra spaces have been removed automatically in browser. Hope you found this video very helpful. Then do share, like and comment, and subscribe for more such videos.